What you'll be studying in this session is solving multi-step equations, specifically combining like terms. Now, when you're combining like terms, it's very important to know that they have to be exactly alike. For example, x plus x, you can combine because the x and the x are exactly the same. Now, you could not combine x plus x squared, because you see the x has an exponent that's understood of 1, and the x squared has an exponent of 2. So they are completely different. It's like having an apple and then having an orange. You can't combine them. You can combine an apple, but you cannot combine an apple and an orange. Now, what if you have 2x squared plus 3x squared? Well, obviously the 2 and the 3 are different. The thing that you're concerned about is the variable. You want to check to see if the variable is the same. So we look x squared the same. So essentially we have 2 apples and we have 3 apples. So we combine them together and we get 5x squared, or 5 apples. Okay. Now let's look at another example. If we have 2x squared y plus 3xy squared, what would that be equal to? Well, once again, you check to see if the variables are the same. Okay, this is x squared, this is x, so they're not the same. This is y, and this is y squared. They're not the same, so you cannot combine them. So the answer is 2x squared y plus 3xy squared, because you can't combine them. So that's as simple as it can get. All right. Now, let's look at an algebra problem involving that, an algebra equation. We'll start with 5 equals 5m minus 23 plus 2m. Alright, once again, you always look to simplify a problem before you can proceed with it. So when we look at this problem, we look at, there is no other number that's by itself to combine with this on the same side. There's a 23 here, but once again, there's no other number on the same side that you can combine it with. This is a 5m. This is a 2m. The m and the m are exactly alike, so that means we can combine the 5m and the 2m. So we rewrite our problem. 5 equals, and 5m plus 2m is equal to 7m. And then we bring down to minus 23. Okay, now to solve our algebra problem, remember you always work backwards. Instead of PEMDAS, you do SADMEP, S-A-D M-A-E P. And so we do take care of subtraction and addition first. So we take care of this minus 23. We do the opposite of negative 23. So we write positive 23 on both sides of the equal sign. We add 23 and 5 and we get 28. Bring down the equal sign. 7m, bring it straight down. And then 23 and negative 23 make 0. So we don't write anything. Now, we've got 7 times m is equal to 28. What is the opposite operation of 7 times m? That's right, you divide by 7. So we divide both sides by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. The 7's cancel each other out because 7 divided by 7 is 1. And so that leaves us 1m. And we don't write the 1 because it's understood to be in front of the m. And so our answer is m equals 4. And then we can check our problem. 5 equals 5m minus 23 minus 2m. And that gives you 5 equals 5 times 4 minus 23 minus 2 times 4, which is equal to 20 minus 23 minus 8, and that equals 5. So, when you're solving a multi-step equation, the first thing you do is always try to simplify any like terms first. Okay, let's look at a word problem now. Maria takes her niece and nephew to a concert. She buys 2 shirts and a bumper sticker for her niece, and 1 shirt and 2 bumper stickers for her nephew. Now, before we go any further, let's write something down. Let's note that she bought something for her niece and something for her nephew, and the total that she spent was $42. The total that she spent was $42. Now, if each bumper sticker costs $4, oh, well, let's see, write down what she bought. 2 shirts and a bumper sticker for her niece. So that's 2 shirts and a bumper sticker for her niece. And then for her nephew, she bought 1 shirt and 2 bumper stickers. 1 shirt and 2 bumper stickers. And remember, the total is $42. It says now if each sticker costs $4, so that means we can come back in here and put 2 shirts and 1 bumper sticker that costs $4, plus 1 shirt and 2 bumper stickers that cost $4 each, and the total is $42. Now we've just got one variable, an s, that we have to solve for. And the first thing that we need to do is combine the like terms, 2s plus 1s. That gives us 3s plus 4 plus 2 times 4 is 8 equals 42. Then we can combine the 8 and the 4, and we get 3s plus 12 equals 42. We do the opposite operation to get rid of the positive 12, so we put minus 12 here. And we do it on the other side of the equal sign as well. That gives us 3s equals 30. Excuse me, we'll have to come over here to finish it. I'll rewrite this as 3s equals 30. Then we divide by 3 on both sides, and that gives us s equals 10. So each shirt costs $10 each.